Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. And in today's video, we're going to discuss a few items that you may want to go ahead and replace, even if they're not bad, if you have the dashboard out of your F-150. And I believe that the particular F-150s that this information is going to be applicable to are the 2010 to 2014 Ford F-150s, give or take a couple of years. And the vehicle featured in the video is a 2011 Ford F-150 equipped with dual climate control. And what you're looking at right here is the HVAC case taken out of the vehicle. I had to remove the dashboard to get this thing out, but this is what houses the evaporator core, the heater core, and it has your blend doors and your mode doors and all of that. So if you have this thing out of your vehicle for whatever reason, you may want to go ahead and replace these items that we're about to go into just in case, because you don't want to have to take this thing back out again if those items fail in the near to distant future. And these items are notorious for failing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in what those items are and why I recommend replacing them. Now, a couple of these items, if you're equipped with dual automatic climate control, would be the blend door actuators. This one has a right side blend door actuator and a left side blend door actuator. Anyway, these are your blend door actuators, one right here, one underneath here, right there. And they have a tendency to strip out and start popping. Kind of sounds like this. Now, if you're only equipped with manual or just single climate control, where you don't have dual climate control, this would be the only one you really need to replace as far as the blend door actuator is concerned here. And this can actually be replaced with the duct inside the dashboard here. This one down here, you can't replace that unless you have the duct outside the dashboard. If you can, you're a magician and you need to be a millionaire. So that's pretty awesome if you can do that. I don't know anybody that can do that. But like I said, that one can be replaced with the duct inside the dashboard there. So those two items, definitely, if you're going to have the duct out or the HVAC case out, replace those two items there. Now, moving back over here, this is your recirculation door, and this is your recirculation door actuator. The recirculation doors are notorious for breaking on the inside there, where it pivots. I would suggest replacing the whole recirculation door assembly and the blend door, the recirculation door actuator as well. These can strip out just like your blend door actuators. They can strip out and cause a popping noise as well. This item here, you can actually replace the actuator, that is, not the door, but this actuator here you can replace with the duct inside the dashboard without removing the dashboard. However, the actual door assembly, you cannot replace that unless you have the dashboard out and the HVAC case removed. Other than that, there's not a whole lot that I would recommend replacing on this thing. You do have your mode door actuator over here that allows the air to go through the defrost, through the vents or the floor, depending upon what selection you make there. This can be replaced with the dashboard installed in the vehicle and with the HVAC case installed in the vehicle. So if you don't care to replace that at the time you got this out, you don't have to. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to replace this, but it's definitely doable inside the vehicle there. But while you got it out, you may choose just to go ahead and replace that anyway. And a couple of other known trouble spots as far as the HVAC case is concerned here. This is your blower speed controller right here, and there's actually a connector that connects to it, and then you got your blower motor with the connector going to it. These are known areas to be problems. However, these can be serviced with the HVAC case in the vehicle and with the dashboard in there, so you don't necessarily have to replace these while you got it out. However, if you choose to, it's a lot easier with the HVAC case out. So there you go, guys. Sincerely hope that this helps somebody. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's why I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.